Hello, this is DIY Kimchi. We're doing an oil change and an engine air filter change on my wife's 2020 Cayenne. Pop the hood. Unclip the engine cover. Pull up gently and remove the cover. Put it in a safe place. We have a T25 Torx screwdriver. We're going to unscrew the air filter. Two more to go. Unclipping the filter and unclipping the intake hoses. Now remove the filter. Unclip the engine oil spout. Now pull up and out. Remove the air filter housing. Here's the location of the oil filter cap. And here is the dipstick tube and the cap. And this is one of the vacuum hoses we need to remove to make more room. Squeeze and pull out. Easy. We have a 32mm oil filter socket. Unscrew the oil filter housing and loosen. We have a 90-degree pick and we're going to remove the dipstick tube cap. Here's my 5-quart oil extractor. So we're putting the extractor tubing into the dipstick tube. And now we're going to pump the oil out. So my extractor is only 5 quarts, so we need to do this twice, as I've not upgraded yet. Now remove the old engine filter. Don't make a mess. Now we will try to extract any remaining oil in the oil filter housing. I'm going to remove the old filter. Remove the O-ring with the pick. And now we're going to clean the cap with some brake cleaner. Nice and clean. We're going to get some oil and lubricate the new O-ring. We're installing the new O-ring on the cap, making sure it's well seated. We're installing the new filter. Make sure it clicks in. Now screw on the new filter. And torque it to 25 Newton meters. Clean up any spills. Replace the dipstick cap. And replace the vacuum hose. Now we're going to clean the air filter housing. Replace the housing. Push down to make sure it clicks in. Replace the hoses. And we're installing the new air filter. Screwing it back on. Two more to go. And click in the oil spout. Replace the cover. Gently push down to make sure everything clicks in. Now reclip the metal clips. Now we will put 8 quarts of Mobil 1. 5 quarts in. 3 to go. Perfect. Replace the cap. All done. Thanks for watching.